Hey everybody, this is Cheryl here, and I wanted to show you what I found. Well, I cut her up because I know it's a girl, cause you see the eggs back here. Wait, let me zoom in. Ugh. You see the yellow eggs? Yep. Centipede eggs. And she's going right to the chickens. Aloha everyone, this is Cheryl here, aka Gardening with Aloha, and it is Sunday today and it's overcast right now, but it was very sunny earlier, and it has been, I think, 6 to 7. Ooh, look at that bee right on the mint flower. You see it? Collecting some pollen. Beautiful. Anyway, it has been, I think, about 6 or 7 months for my sweet Okinawan sweet potatoes. And, you know, I just wanted to check on one plant, and so far, I think I'm doing okay. I mean, I have some small ones, but yet I have some medium ones, and I see a big one. Not really big, but hey, it'll do. Free food. Look, I left that one so I could show you when I'm pulling it out. Look at that. How beautiful is this Okinawan white sweet potato? And this I grew from just breaking off a tip here from my other Okinawan sweet potato plants, sticking it in water, letting it root, and then just planting it. So, you know, I think I'm gonna check on one more plant, because even though I have some small ones, I mean, I am getting some good size ones. Oh my gosh, look what I did. Cut it with a shovel. Oh. Anyway, I'll be right back. I'm just digging and digging, and it's cool because these sweet potatoes aren't very deep. They're more on the surface. You see, they're kind of like right on the top. Like, I don't have to dig too far, but you never know with sweet potatoes. But you just gotta keep on digging. Ooh, and look what I found. I'm finding worms in here, which is a very good sign. But let me go ahead and keep digging. More potatoes. Yes. Oh, look, there's a baby one. But pretty good size. Not too shabby. Hey guys, I figure, so I planted this side after the right side, and I figure, oh, I'm just gonna leave it for like a couple more months. But look, I just found this potato, and it's the biggest one yet. I lied, guys. This is the biggest one yet. Okie dokie, here is my sweet potato harvest for today. When I lift up the bucket, it feels maybe 10 to 15 pounds, I would say. Maybe more like 10. But better than the last time, so it is getting better. No, this is more like maybe 15. Yeah. I wish I had a scale, but I don't. Maybe I should invest in one. But anyway, I am gonna store this on in soda boxes, something flat, so they can all lie flat, not all on, you know, on top of each other, and then put them in a cool place. But anyway, thanks for watching. Aloha, bye. So, since I harvested sweet potatoes, I'm gonna start more sweet potatoes, and this is what I do. I find like the tip of the sweet potato plant, like right here, and then let me show you. And all I do is I just cut the tip, and then this right here is gonna soak in a bottle of water. So I'm gonna find myself more shoots like this, and I'll be right back. Okay, so here's my bottle of water so I can soak my sweet potato slips inside. I just cut them long enough so they, you know, the stems can soak, something like that. And then in a few days they'll all start to root. But like if I have like some stems where the water can touch them, I cut them off, because then they'll just rot in there and the water will get all murky and brown, and we don't want that. So I'll just throw them right in the bottle like that. I don't know how much I can fit in here, but I'm gonna try and put as many as I can. This is how I planted my other sweet potatoes that I just harvested. I mean, it wasn't a lot, but better than the last harvest. Yep, so I'll just keep on doing this and then I'll get right back to you. I think that's enough. The bottle is pretty much full, and when you soak your the potato shoots, you want to always make sure you got water in here. Do not let the water go down. You gotta make sure it's filled all the time. And you know, you could even, you know, the tips of the potato shoots, you could even snip this off, stir fry it. It's really good for you. Like my mom used to make blanch the tips, and then we would eat it with like tomato and onion. So good. But anyway, I'm gonna put this in a shaded area, and then we'll come back in a few days and check out how my potato slips are doing. Anyway, have a great day. Bye.